Yep, this is Mr. K's, and this is 25.3a. 25.3a. Industrialization is going to spread. It begins in England, and it will spread to the continent. Industrial development in the United States. Well, how did it get there? It's illegal to have plans smuggled out of England. Well, one gentleman that did was Samuel Slater. He memorized factory plans and duplicated it in the United States. He memorized plans, factory plans, and duplicated it in the United States. Thomas Lowell, known for combining weaving and spinning operations under one roof. Combined weaving and spinning factories under one roof. And these gentlemen are in the New England area. But let's look at later expansion here. The Transcontinental Railroad is going to open up goods to the west. The Transcontinental Railroad opens up goods to the west. Corporations are founded. Corporations are businesses owned by stockholders. Businesses owned by stockholders. Now let's go back to the continent here. The continent of Europe. Begins in England, it's going to spread. One of the first countries it spreads to is Belgium. Belgium. Belgium had favorable location as Britain did. Belgium had a favorable location as Britain did. Belgium was the first country to industrialize, or the next nation to industrialize after Britain. Belgium was the next nation to industrialize after Britain. Countries at war were slower to industrialize. Countries at war were slower to industrialize. Alright, so we've got Britain and Belgium. Belgium is just north of France on the coast. Now we're going to go inland a little bit, and we've got Germany. Germany was politically divided empire in the 1800s. Germany was politically divided in the 1800s. Instead, pockets of industrialization appeared, such as in the coal-rich Ruhr Valley, and I'll spell that. Pockets of industrialization appeared, such as in the coal-rich Ruhr Valley, R-U-H-R, R-U-H-R. Germany built railroads that linked its growing cities with coal and iron ore mines. Germany built railroads that linked its growing cities with coal and iron ore mines. Germany's economic strength spurred its ability to develop as a military power. Germany's economic strength spurred or led to the ability to develop as a military power. Germany is on its way for sure. Expansion throughout Europe. In the rest of Europe, as in Germany, industrialization occurred in regions rather than countries. As in the rest of Europe, or in the rest of Europe, as in Germany, industrialization occurred in regions rather than countries. Just pockets of industrialization. In France, continued industrial growth occurred only after 1850, when rail lines were built. In France, continual industrial growth occurred only after 1850, when rail lines were built. Now, reasons or factors why others didn't industrialize, like Spain or Italy. Well, social structure, or lack of it. Social structure, or lack thereof. Lack of transportation. Lack of transportation. And then geography. There are some places like Spain where it was too hilly or too mountainous to put a railroad through. So that crippled them. Well, the next time we come back, we will see the worldwide impact of industrialization. Until then, this is Mr. K's with 25.3a. I'm out.